Hi everyone, I am Shruti from third year Cyber Security Department. Today I'll be explaining you the one of the most powerful and widely used algorithm in artificial intelligence, that is A-star search algorithm. This algorithm is used to find the shortest or optimal paths in the graph networks such as maps, robotic navigation systems and games. Before understanding the A-search, we need to understand what are the graphs, nodes and weights. Each graph is usually connected within nodes and connected by the edges. Each edge has a weight representing the cost, distance, or time. To make A star search efficient, something it uses the function called heuristic function, which is denoted as h of n, that estimates the cost from current node to the goal node. A good heuristic must be admissible to calculate the true cost. So, how A-star search works? A-star search works with a formula called f of n equal to g of n plus h of n, where g of n is the actual cost from the start node and h of n is the estimated heuristic cost to the goal node. This algorithm always expands the lowest f of n value, so this keeps the search directed towards the most promising path. And A-star search also consisting of two lists, that is open and closed list. Open list means still nodes to be explored, and closed list means nodes were already explored. So in the above question, we have given that there is a custom graph starts from the node A and ending at the node Z. So this algorithm starts at A, then explores B, and after C. It evaluates each node using the f of n value. After several expansions, A star search finds the path, that is A to C and C to E after E to Z. So example shows how A-star search avoids the unnecessary exploration and reaches the goals efficiently. So, why A-star search is optimal and efficient? Because it guarantees the shortest path and it also helps in the finding the admissible heuristics. So, it satisfies also the consistency h of u less than or equal to cost of u of v plus h of v. It expands fewer nodes than the other algorithms like Dijkstra's, making it faster. So, coming to the practical applications of A-star search algorithm, it is used in the many real-world systems such as GPS navigation to find out the fastest route, and autonomous robots for the safe path planning, and video games to help characters move intelligently. Coming to a conclusion, A-star search is the combination of perfect accuracy and the estimated cost. Thank you.